bite on that would be great.
It's Lakshmi. So Mandeshi Bank is the first rural women's bank, and I'm glad that this is the first bank which was started for savings, not for loans. Women saving, women capital, and women taking loan. And of course, not just being a user, but being a part of running and managing the bank. So the first bank managed and run by rural women. And today bank has more than 150 crores of business, and around more than 110,000 women are banking with Mandeshi. Now by doing that, actually, it's when we made the first time profit after 2 years. Bank, it took us 2.5 years to become a profitable institution. Our women said that we would like to reinvest our dividend in the reserves of the bank. Why? Because we need to make a bank a stronger institution, have a strong base. And I realized that these women, in spite of doing street vending, in spite of dealing with small savings, small loans, they are so visionary. They are aspiring towards their own institution, being very strong, and lead that institution, and also show the roadmap to the policymakers, to the sector, that this is the type of bank you require, or these are the products you require when you have to go to the last mile. And when I just remind these things, and then when I was at Davos co-chairing World Economic Forum, and that got that idea that why don't now our women's voices should go to the sector, and how will it go? So we thought, why not launch a social impact fund which is dedicated to rural women entrepreneurs. So it is just a beginning. We have launched 100 crores of 100 crores of fund, and we have a sponsor investor, and we are going towards for the other investors also to come in, both not come in as just investment, but going through this whole experience of getting the returns, building the ecosystem which is dedicated to rural women entrepreneurs.
So you were mentioning that the bank was, or the initiative of this bank was made government to change the policies, is what I understand. All kudos to women behind it, in the sense they made the change, right? So it is great. So the next question.